Welcome back to my tutorials. We're going to do the back stitch today. So we're going to come up from the bottom coming up and take your needle up and then go back down to take a small stitch. Now we're going to take the second coming back up away from the last stitch. And when we go back down, we're going to put our needle right at the very end hole of the last stitch, and this will create a continuous line. So here we go again. We're going to bring it up a little past that last stitch, and then we're going to put it back down in that same exact place that I went down the last time in the last stitch. And this creates a nice continuous simple line for covering up lines or lettering or any other type of edge on your project. Now for advanced sewers, we can use our finger on the back just like that with my needle. So I'm going to use my finger to guide my needle up and down, and I'm going to go in and push my finger up on the needle and guide it to where I want to bring it out and pull that up and down in the same time. So here I'm going back down. I'm going to push it up and use my finger underneath to guide my needle in the right spot. This will make a faster stitch. So enjoy making the stitch. Follow me for more tutorials and walkthroughs. Happy stitching, everyone!